Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Thakur. Welcome to my YouTube channel SHIVANSH TECH guys. I hope you all are doing well practicing your AutoCAD learning sessions. Guys, in our previous tutorial we have understood almost all the commands have been covered in our previous tutorials. So guys, in today's tutorial we are gonna make this simple drawing. We will practice for this how we can make this, and this is a tutorial video. So alright guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. Let's read this drawing firstly. This is the drawing that I get from my company. Actually, this is first of all we need to draw a rectangle for making this drawing. Then we need to draw some circles and place all that circles. So alright guys, this is a circle of 1.5 diameter. And these are the 4 small circles of 0.5 diameter. So alright guys, let's get started. First of all, let's draw a rectangle. For drawing a rectangle, we all are familiar how we can draw a rectangle, or we can make this by using the line command. People make this. So for this drawing, first of all click the first corner and then enter dimensions. D for dimension. Specify the length for the rectangle, and the length is 5 mm, and the width is 3 mm. Then our circle has been drawn. Our rectangle has been drawn here, and let's give the dimension to this circle. This rectangle. This is of 5. And again let's check this is of 3. Let's do some customization. Make this arrow of dimension smaller. It's quite big as comparison to the drawing. So go to the modify and go to the fit. Then press OK and then close. So this is done. This is of 5 and this is of 3. So alright guys, now we need to draw a circle in center, and the circle would be of 1.5 diameter. So now let's draw a circle. There are 2 options. Firstly, we need to find out the center of this rectangle. So select line command. You can directly click on this point. This is the center point of this rectangle, and this is showing this as a center point. Just click on this. This is showing as geometric center because it is showing because our O-snap points are okay. O-snap point settings are already active, so that's why it is showing that. So we can directly draw circle. Let's go to the draw and select the circle. So here we need to select the circle of circle center diameter. Just click on this, come here and draw a circle and enter the diameter, that is 1.5. Let's check this. This is of 1.5 diameter circle. So let's draw here 1.5 and then press enter. Now it has been drawn. Alright guys, now we need to draw 4 circles of 0.5 dia, but we need to find a center points for these circles. It's quite critical for beginners. So now I'll tell you how you can do. Firstly, draw this circle. This is of 0.5 above than the bottom line. 0.5 just on this left line. So just click on the line and then press 0.5 here, and then take 0.5 here. And then press enter. You can delete this line here now. Just delete it by pressing erase. So let's draw a circle here of C. I have activated the circle command by entering C. So this circle is of 0.5 diameter. Just enter D for diameter. Enter the value 0.5. Now it's draw Now we need to find out the again center for this. This is also at the same position. So what we need to do, we can copy this. Just click here and use the mirror command, MI. Just click on this and click here and this one as a mirror line. Now you can see this is at here at the same point. And now this is asking erase source command. So for that, if we don't wanna erase this one, this is a source object. So let's press enter and for no. Now it's done. We can delete this one also now just by entering E then space. Now we need to draw 2 more circles. This is as the same condition, 0.5 downward from the top line. So we can also draw this one by mirroring this circle to here. But now we are gonna draw this just by finding out the center. So just click on this and draw a line of 0.5 mm. And up downward side just enter the value 0.5 and then press OK. You can just click here and you can again draw a circle here and you can copy this one circle and just click on this and then place here. That's it. Then press enter. So alright guys, it's almost done. Just we need to draw here one more circle. This should be at 1.25 upper side from here and then 0.1 here. So firstly select the line command and take this 1 mm here and then take this as a 1.25 downward side. 1.25 downward side. Just enter the here and then draw a circle here of 0.5. Just enter D for diameter, then 0.5 here. Now as we can see, our almost whole drawing has been completed. Now we need to draw this line, and the line must be deleted that we have drawn for our external reference. We should not leave any double line at any places of the drawing. Just delete all these 4 lines. And now we have to do dimensioning. So let's select the linear dimension for checking the center distance to this one distance. It is showing 3. It is not showing values in point. Now we need to change it. Just go to the D dimension, modify, and we need to go here on primary units and precision up to 0.00 and press OK and then close. This is drawing 0.5 and 2.5 as it is. Now again select the linear command. From here to here we can see this is of 1. So just select this, take this to a little bit upward. This one also take a little bit upward and take this, place this one direction here. Now deselect all. Select linear command again and need to check the distance between these 2 circles. Just click on this, this is the 4 mm. As we can see, the same is in drawing 0.5. This one 0.5 circle here to this line. This is of 0.5. The same this side 0.5 from here to here. 1.25 from this center to this center, we can see 1.25, and then we need to click here the center of this side of dimension from here to downward line. This is of 1.5. Actually dimension size is little bit bigger still as compared to drawing. So let's go to the modify command bar, go here on the fit and select it as 0.5. Okay, then it's quite less, so we should enter here 1. Okay, now it's done. So we need to place these dimensions at the right positions, something like this. So now let's see which dimension is remaining to select. Almost all the dimensions can be done. Now again select the linear dimension or measuring the distance between this line to this point. This is 1. And now we need to check the diameter of the circles. So just click on this and we can say this is a 1.50 diameter, and let's select once more and just draw the diameter of any one circle, that is 0.50. Actually this is all the 4 circles are same and all are of the same 0.50 diameter. So it's done, guys. I hope you all have understood how I draw this. So now I'm giving the center mark to all the circles. So I just entering the center mark and then OK. So guys, this is our drawing that we have just copied from this drawing. So I hope you understand how can we draw this type of the simple drawings. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned here for the more videos of this type of practice videos, but I'm gonna post so many practice videos on this channel. So hit the bell icon and do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned till the next video. Bye bye.